Hello and welcome to another session from Learn Digital Academy. In this session, we are going to learn about advertisements on Twitter. The Twitter advertisements are quite different from what we have in Facebook or what we have in LinkedIn. The targeting over here is totally different. Before you go ahead to do advertisements on Twitter, to enable the ads manager, what you got to do is you have to activate the analytics. So you just go into the more section over here and you will find analytics. Well, I have already turned on the analytics. So what you got to do is you will find one button which says turn analytics on. Click on it and then it takes a little while, perhaps few days actually, or rather 15 days is what it actually takes for your ads manager to get active. Once you reach here, edit access to account, and yes, they keep on reminding you about adding your credit card here. Go into view ads manager and let's create a campaign. The objectives that we have are pretty much similar to what we have in LinkedIn or in Facebook. Few different ones. You will get to see pre-roll views as well as app re-engagement. So let us select one. Now, it starts all over with the naming your campaign. You can see it's pretty much similar. You have your ad groups and the budget, the total budget, daily budget, howsoever you had like to go forward with it. Hello and welcome to another session from Learn Digital Academy on Twitter advertisements. As you were seeing, we can add the daily budget or the total budget that you have for over here. Specify the time from whenever you want this advertisement to start and whenever you want to end it. A very important factor over here about the pacing of your advertisement, via which flow it must be given. Well, standard it is a normal flow of your advertisement, whereas accelerated is quite used for any events coming up. As you can read, for time constant campaigns like major sporting events, advertisement which you would want to show as often as possible. Once you have selected all of it, you will go ahead to go next. Name the ad group. Again, you can mention from when it is supposed to start and end, which is optional. Total ad group budget. Well, we have already set it, so no need to do it again. Or if you had like, you can certainly do it. Now, we have already seen the automatic bid in LinkedIn. Over here, Twitter decides how much you should get charged for your advertisement. The target cost. Now, what kind of amount or how much amount should be charged every time that 1000 impressions are done? Now, it's just charging you based upon the impressions. What if you had like to have engagement also, which would go a little bit costlier than this? The demographics. I'd rather always choose maximum reach until unless your client has a good budget. You can certainly go for reach with engagement too, which is pretty much popular these days. People offering free mobile phones, washing machines if they have taken a particular screenshot or they answer any question.